out. We got some bad roaches.
You want to know what bugs me? Fire ants. They've gotten really bad here in East Tennessee lately. And I'm going to tell you part of the reason why. One is there's a quarantine zone. Used to not be in that. Now we are. That means that there were certain things you couldn't move from a fire ant area to a non-fire ant area, which used to be us, like plants and soil and things like that. But now we have them everywhere. It started with that, people bringing in mulch, got them in that. Then they get them in their yard. And then what does everybody do? We want to poke the fire ant nest, poke the fire ant nest. Woo, they come out everywhere. Whoa, poke the fire ant nest. Stop it! Fire ants have multiple queens in that nest. And when you just disturb it a little bit, or you sprinkle some crap from Home Depot on it, or you pour gasoline on it, or whatever Facebook friends told you to do that isn't going to work anyway, they abandon that nest. They'll split it. They'll send one queen that way and one queen that way. They'll abandon that nest and it looks like you did something good. Yay, I killed the nest. Woohoo! Killed the fire ants. No, you didn't. Let me tell you what actually happened. The fire ants went, what the crap is going on in my nest? Let's get out of here, abandon ship. And they grab eggs. They take the queen and the eggs, and some go one way, some go the other way, and then in a couple weeks you get 2 nests pop up. Oh no, I killed that one, but now we've got more. No, you didn't kill that one to begin with. This is the same one, and now it's called budding, is what this is called. So you go do it again. And now you started with 1. Then it went to 2. Now guess how many there are this time? 6. And the numbers just keep exponentially jumping. I had a couple this year that I did that had over 30 nests in a normal size yard. You either nuke them or you leave them alone. You either nuke them or you leave them alone. The best way I've found to deal with these is to treat the entire yard. Because even if I come and kill that one nest, the one nest came from somewhere. Where did it come from? It come from the neighbors, come from the woods. Bring it in with your mulch. Are there more? Don't know. Treating the entire yard creates an environment on all of your yard that they don't want anything to do with. So even if they are coming from the neighbors, it's going to kill them when they come onto your yard. The good thing is it's guaranteed for a year not to see any fire ants. Call me about it. We'll talk. It ain't cheap, but it works. It works real well. And that's a lot better situation than having little Johnny sit down in a fire ant's nest. Let me tell you, when I was elementary school, probably kindergarten or maybe a little younger, I sat down in a fire ant nest in Chattanooga. Sat down in it. You know, those good 1970s, 80s, nylon shorts, probably too short, and a tank top, sandals, sat right down in it. Boy, I've never been lit up. Thought I was getting shot by 1,022,000 at once. It sucks. And you know what they'll do? They'll bite you and hold on and then sting you all around. It's nasty. Nasty. And when they sting you, a lot of times, at least on me and a lot of people I know, the sting actually comes up and looks like a zit. So if you get a bunch of stings, you can look like you got herpes or something. So give me a call if you got fire ants. Leave them alone or nuke them. You either nuke them or you leave them alone. Nothing in between. If somebody tells you to put grits on them or to pour gasoline on them or some kind of essential oil crap, get off Facebook. Those people don't know what they're talking about. And all they're going to do is make it worse. So you know what bugs me? Fire ants. But I love to kill them.
Killing me, Smalls.
So, I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.